Just us two. Mom, I love you more than life itself. When I think of you, this poetry it just writes itself. You've only been gone for a week and I already miss you. Nobody is perfect, we all have our issues, but my issue is I will never be able to kiss you again. So many boxes of tissues, don't even know where to begin. From all the crying, watching her dying, I'm not lying. All the weight she lost, looking like a victim of the Holocaust. I never really knew about true loss until my mother I actually lost. You loved me so much, always supported me in hockey. You were my mother, my father. You would always stop and watch me play, and you loved me in every way. And the rest of my life, I will love you and think about you every day. Seeing her in pain with stage 4 cancer. Can't eat or drink even water. There are no more answers for this disease. And so I beg God, please, to take her. It's the only answer to be cancer free. The only answer I see. And so I sacrifice that you will no longer be with me. Watching you suffer in the radiation rooms at UNC, I wanted to take your cancer and put it in me. She was bedridden and we had a party. It's a celebration of her death and I'm not going to say I'm sorry. Sorry, Mom, you were never able to meet my wife. My mother will always be the biggest part of my life. Never meet your grandkids, which it hurts just like a knife in my back. And it hurts like being hit with a bat. But I stay positive because you had a long life. And so that is why I remember all the good times we had along my life with you. And I was your little Drew. Just me and you. Just us two.